Welcome back, Snapper. We're going to show you how to synchronize your offline events. This option is often available for events where there is no internet connection. Once you have recorded your events and need to sync them with your cloud, follow these steps. You will then enter the event. Once you're there, locate the store and sync options. You will then see all the videos that you need to sync in the local gallery, videos not synchronized. You can select individual videos or choose the option called Select All, then press the Sync Videos button. The app will show you how many videos are in the process of being synced. Once the sync process is finished, you can find the video in the local gallery, Synchronized Videos. You can also see this video in the virtual gallery. You can also see when the last event sync occurred in the Synchronized Event section, where you can see the date and time of the last sync. You can also use this option while navigating or recording in the app. Just remember that this process only works when the app is open. When synchronizing your events, please do not close the app to ensure everything goes smoothly. Please note that this feature is only available to users with an active plan. What do you think? The app's synchronization feature allows you to work from anywhere. If you like this tutorial or would like more like it, please let me know in the comments section. We're always here to help with anything our users need. Remember to like this video and subscribe to see more tutorials and content. See you later, Snappers!